everyone, this is Fadil drinking coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch. This machine comes to us with a few issues. The main one was like machine didn't finish brewing a espresso shot, and in the meantime when you try to do a shot it gives you a weird sound, and that's related to this three-way solenoid valve. So I just like replaced it, and the machine was like full of scale and minerals in both boilers. That's what caused damage for that solenoid valve, and all these three water level probes was leaking from here, all of them. So I just replaced them and replaced all the o-rings on the steam boiler and the brew boiler too. And the water tank was leaking because of this valve. Actually, this is the parts of it. I was trying to replace it, then it didn't work, so I just replaced the whole tank, because there is some parts in there, it's just built in. So I just like replaced the whole water tank. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. I didn't calibrate anything. I found it like there in the 36. So let me see what it gives me in the 36. Right, I guess this is kind of coarse. But yeah, the customer can calibrate it as he wants. I usually didn't change the calibration except if when it goes extreme, like something wrong. Yeah, like here, this is like really coarse. So let me just make it a little bit finer. And actually this is not belong to that model. There's two different types of these. So this machine comes, they brought it without the portafilter, so I couldn't align it like very much. But yeah, I guess when they put their own portafilter, it will be the gasket, the new gasket will be aligned. And I also forget to mention this diffuser under the shower screen. I get replace it because I found it just broken when I was like replacing the grow bed gasket, so I just replaced both. This is better, but it should go a little bit finer. Yeah, I'm just testing to show how the machine works fine without that weird sound. I'm just like using testing beans. There you go. That's cool. Let me just show it without the portafilter. This is the pre-infusion. Okay, let's test the hot water. The steamer first. And the steam one also got deep clean. These are some of the o-rings I got replaced. And the hot water. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.